Hello all, today I'm going to give you a demo of SQL Server Analysis Services. So SQL Server Analysis Service is Microsoft Business Intelligence stack. It is used to develop online analytical processing solutions. In simple terms, SSAS is used to create cubes using data from data marts or data warehouse for deeper and faster data analysis. So firstly, I'm going to create a SSAS project on Visual Studio SSDT. For that, click on New Project and Analysis Service. I'm going to provide this a name. Since I'm going to use my sales database, I'm going to name it as Sales Project. So I have already created a star schema for my sales database, and this is the sales database, and these are the dimension tables of star schema. So I'm going to connect to sales database. So I'm going to use existing database source, which is sales database. Just click on new. I'm going to use put my credential in here. Click on next and finish. After creating data source, you need to create data source views. And in this, you need to choose which tables to use for OLAP database. So I'm going to use date as a dimension and use schema, right? Customer, employee, product. So in here, sales fact is my fact table for this star schema. So let's browse through sales fact. So this is my schema for the fact table. The ID represents for date dimension, employee for and customer. This is for product, this is for shipping method, and these are the measures. So my star schema is important in SSDT project. So this is the fact table, and this arrow represents the link between fact table and corresponding dimension tables. So next I'm going to create a cube. Cubes are multidimensional data sources which have dimensions and facts, also known as measures, as its basic constituents. From a relational perspective, dimensions can be thought of as master tables and fact can be thought of as measurable details. So for this, I'm going to click on new cube, and I'm going to select sales fact, click on next, and it's all associated foreign linked dimensions are imported. Click on finish. So here you can see that the fact table is highlighted with yellow color, and so browses. So only customer ID is imported. So I'm going to import some more attributes needed for the query. I'll be using date, day of the week, month name, and year. So after doing that, we can just process and deploy the project. After that, mostly I'm going to close all of this. So with simple drag and drop, you can see the reports and you can get like clear idea what's going on. So I want to know, let's say total number of sales per customer. So this is the total number of, it gives the total number of orders. So we can just click. So here we can analyze. We can also create new measures. For that we need to go to cube structure, right click, new measure. So from here you can get anything like count of rows, non-empty values, maximum of minimum count, distinct count. So I need to get like number of employees count. So, and rename it as and I'm going to rename this as employee fact. Next, I also need distinct count for so after creating extra measures, let's build the solution. You can see process. Now you can go to browse, click on reconnect. So here is our extra measures. So I can get like, if I want to get the number of employees per their job title, so I could just drag and drop title and number of employees. Here you can get title and number of employee. In the table, also if I want like products sold by each title, so here you can get like by this report. Here we can analyze that accountant sold 2 products, and likewise. Next, we can also add calculation members. For that, you need to go to calculation tab. So I'm going to do it as and click on new calculated member. So I want to calculate measures like gross sale. Here you provide the name, and these are the measures. So in expression, you can simply drag and drop the measures. Like gross sale is the price into quantity of items sold. So you can select the format string. I select currency. I want for the result to get visible or not. Next, we can also select any from this list to display if we get a empty row, but I'm going to leave it empty. Next, it's select sales fact, and display flow folder is the folder where our new calculated measure gets displayed. So I'm going to give a name. If there is no folder named calculated measure, a new folder is created, and if there is one, this gross sale is going to get appended or displayed in this folder. So script view, we can also write from here new calculated measures from here. So I'm going to make few other. So I'm going to make some new calculation measures which will be like 2%. Likewise, you can create some more measures. I want to create like tax charge, and tax is like 7.5%, which will be 0.075. So after doing this, you can just process it. Click on yes. Let's go to browse. Let's refresh the content. Reconnect. So inside measures in sales fact, our newly created calculated measures are here, like gross sale, simple charge, tax charge. So I'm going to show you like data, report, customer name, you're going to display a total number of products per customer, total number of and cross sell means shipping charge and tax charge for customer. Here we can get the result for each customer. Show you monthly sales, so we can use like month, year, please. Here you can see monthly sales for this year and this month. With the use of SSAS, it makes the with the use of SSAS, we can produce business intelligence solutions. Multidimensional data cubes can be easily created and deployed, and also we can build custom solutions with MDX. So it makes smarter business decisions with data mining techniques. Thank you for watching.